Mannheim auction in Fort Lauderdale. You see it? Coming true. If you guys don't know this auction is right next to the Hard Rock Stadium in Fort Lauderdale. This is the latest purchase, Ross. 2006 X5 3.0 with the magical, the legendary 6-speed manual transmission. Yo, this is so awesome. 3 pedals. Oh man, I love the rims. Oh gosh, look at that. Damn. The truck does have 206,000 miles on it, but because it's a manual, it's okay. So you got parking sensors. Oh, you got a tow hitch? Damn, this Honda's in the way. Oh man. Oh man, I love it. You guys, dude, this is a 6-speed manual transmission X5. Dude. It needs to get cleaned up a little bit, but damn. All my enthusiasts knows that this is literally almost impossible to find. You can't find these things nowhere. Wow. Everything looks so straight too, yo. My gosh. The ultimate X5, other than the 4.6 and the 4.8 IS. This is the ultimate X5. Well, I think this is even better than the 4.8 or the 4.6 IS because it has a manual transmission. Oh man, look at that. I mean, typical wear and tear, you know, you can't expect perfect at auction. 206,000 miles. By the way, you guys, this is a clean Tyco car. So it's not rebuilt. Oh, okay. You got all the settings for the seat. Wow, this is nice. Whoa. Oh yeah. Heated seats in the back? Oh, this is stupid rare, yo. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh, let me open the hood. Oh man. Oh yeah. This looks pretty clean. Okay. Now, these things are notorious for coming out. Now, let's see how it starts. All right, you guys, I don't know what lights are on the dash because your boy did an impulse buy because you don't think about it. You see 6-speed manual transmission X5 and you just press the buy now price, you know? Oh, it's a manual, so I gotta put the clutch in. First start. Oh, yo, she sounds strong. Yeah. All right, so this doesn't work. Okay. All right. I have to. This is definitely gonna have to change. I hate these steering wheels. I don't know why BMW incorporated these ugly steering wheels, but I'm gonna definitely change it to the sport package steering wheel. But yeah, predominantly this thing looks nice, yo. Honestly speaking, I mean, just like with any car, it needs some reconditioning. Oh man, 6-speed manual, y'all. Your boy has done it again. This is awesome, yo. Sounds good. Put it into gear real quick. Let me move it up a little bit. Oh, wow. Wow, yeah. First time moving in a 6-speed manual X5. Wow. This is pinnacle right here. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Where do I find these cars, man? These things, oh, man. So good, yo. I'll also show you guys the trunk. Oh, yeah. Double tailgate. We love to see it. And rear seats that move in the back. Oh, yeah. Let's see if it comes with a spare. It does. Yes, see that. Man, these X5s have so much room in it. They were definitely worth all the money back in the day. Yes. Let's see if the soft close works. Oh, and it works. Awesomeness. It has a tow package and every blood clot thing. Ross. Oh, yeah. Alright, you guys. So I'm going to end the video because I'm over here fangirling over this X5. Please, you guys, like and subscribe to the channel for more content, alright? Until then, stay positive.